Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting your Xbox controller to the device you use for Roblox, plug in via USB, or enable Bluetooth pairing. Once paired, open the Xbox Accessories app to update firmware and check button response, because timing and mapping affect gameplay. Make sure Roblox is closed before you start the app. This avoids input conflicts. After firmware and mapping look correct, launch Roblox and enter any game. This gets the default bindings active, so you can test movement, camera, and action buttons immediately. Once the controller is recognized, go to Roblox settings and switch to controller input. This tells the game to accept analog sticks and button presses. Next, fine-tune sensitivity and dead zones in the Xbox Accessories app so the thumbsticks stop drifting and the camera feels natural. If a specific Roblox game lacks controller support, use reliable mapping tools to assign keys to buttons. Do this sparingly, and test after each change so you know why a control behaves differently. These steps reduce lag and improve aiming consistency. You finish by testing in a simple Roblox game. Move, look, jump, and interact to confirm every button works. This validates your settings. If something is unresponsive, first reconnect the controller and restart Roblox. Next, reinstall or update drivers and remap any missing functions in the Accessories app. Make sure both firmware and Roblox are up to date, because updates fix compatibility problems. If input still fails, try another USB cable or Bluetooth adapter. These hardware checks often solve stubborn connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.